So guys, I'm just coming out from Pandora School. First of all, I went to Divine Foundation Academy. Yeah. So now I branched to Pandora. So I have to compare the schools and the environment and how their their payment is, because away go. So I'm going back now. Before I will go back, I will branch to Tree Motion. Another person recommended for me Tree Motion. So I will branch to that school. Oh, my umbrella. I'll branch to Tree Motion. Yeah, to go and check their own fee. You understand? I forgot my umbrella, so I have to go back and collect it. So see you at Tree Motion. I'll be doing motion. I don't know. When I get to the school, I will know. Here is Pandora. The other one was Divine. Gene. So now, stay tuned. Keep watching. This is my kids back to school. Don't forget to subscribe to Adachu's family. You understand? Okay. Get a cut up there. Let me see. When she wears socks, it will be her size. I agree to do it. Oh yeah, go outside. That is underwear. Go and sit down. Hey fans, welcome back to our video. So this is unboxing what I got. What our daddy bought for my kids, as in back to school stuff. You understand? Back to school stuff. These are the things that our daddy bought. My husband bought for the children. You understand? We have one to three. Your own don't have stuff. Do you know your own? Sit down. So we'll have this, and this. That is 4 foot flags. 5 foot flags and 5 water cans for them. And go sit down. Drop that to me. And we have school bags. School bags. 1 school bag. 2 school bag. 3 school bag. Great, you can see now. 4 school bag. And number 5, you understand? So I'm going to be sharing the bags for each and every one. But for the lunch bag, we'll have 3 lunch bags here. Great, remove your head. Great, she's from here. Go by yourself. The 3 lunch bags here, I know definitely my last baby have 1. Then Kansi have 1. Then the 3 secondary has one. Understand? But we'll figure it out. So this is back to school stuff. Wait for us the day they will be going to school. I don't know if it is tomorrow or next, but finger crossed it will be tomorrow. Just wish us good luck and drop a God bless you on the comment section for our God. What's that? So just drop a thank you sir on the comment section for our daddy for buying all this stuff for us. We appreciate. Just say thank you, God bless you sir for providing for us. You understand? This is 5 school bags. It's not easy. Things are costly now, but I know he made it. He's a man. You understand? This is us. Expect us tomorrow when we are going to school or when we are preparing for school. And another thing, don't forget you're watching Adachi's family, and you don't forget to like and subscribe for us. And you also, you're our gorgeous people, our gorgeous family. Thank you for watching our video. See you in our next video. You see, if you like spoil your own, give me that too. If you like spoil it for 2 years, there will be no water bottle for you. You will use Ragolis water or mineral bottle.
Ragolis? What is Ragolis?
Don't worry, when time you should
What is Ragolis now? So give me that.
Where is your own? Give me that. When time you should know what is happening.
No, you have to that's Ragolis.
Your own is easy and big.
That's why we still have this type.
Your classmate will show her.
Make it.
We share. Great, she comes in.
What are you guys? How many do we have that?
Then for the process, this one is great spoon.
The small ones in the front, the big ones in the downside.
This one is
Heavy.
Daddy.
Inside.
This one is great. This one is great and dancing has the same waist. But I'll share it. This one is this one is fancy. This one is fancy. This one is great.